Hello dear friends, I am Sanju Pendarkar here again interacting with you. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel and blog. Today I'll be sharing with you my experiences about Trinidad and Tobago, West Indies. When we planned to visit West Indies, there was a fear in my mind that whether the West Indian peoples are safe because they are well built, like Punjabi people, Jat people, they are well built, North Indians. They are more stronger than these people. So whether they will create any harms. But dear friend, when I landed at the airport, my fear is gone. These people are very much cooperative, very hardworking, strong and powerful, and they have lot of respect for the Indians. If Indians stay in the hotel, then they'll give them first service. So much respect they carry about the Indians. Dear friends, Trinidad West Indies is the wealthiest country in the Caribbean, as well as third richest country by GDP per capita in the Americas after United States and Canada. The country's wealth is attributed to its largest reserves and exploitation of oil and natural gas. So Mrs. Mangal Singh is our distributor since last 45 years, and that dynamic lady is making our products available every year. Shaving cream is selling very like a hot cake there, and they like the design also, and they say that our importer used to communicate to us that there is a smiling face on the carton of shaving cream, so we have not changed packing of shaving cream for West Indies.
Hello dear all, myself Sanju Pendarkar, Director of Eco Laboratories. With my 45 years of experience in the field of business management, I am coming up with an online course to guide those individuals who want to become entrepreneur and successful businessman. You can register for the online course through the link given in the description. Thank you very much.
Then various places to be visited in Trinidad is Maracas Beach. It's a beautiful beach, clean beach. Absolutely, you will enjoy spending a day there. Then one beach is called Englishman's Bay. Englishman's Bay is a beach where it is as clean as the other beaches. So it's called Englishman's Bay. Then Coroni Bird Sanctuary. These are the places to be visited in West Indies. And La Priya Beach Lake. So this is one of the most beautiful beaches of Caribbean islands, and if you are not visited, do visit West Indies. You can't go directly to West Indies because the journey will be hectic. You take halt at Miami. What we did in USA, we enjoyed our stay in Miami. We went to the beach. That is also a wonderful beach. The next day we catch flight to Trinidad and Tobago, and it was an awesome and wonderful experience. So dear friends, thanks for watching my video. Please keep in touch, stay tuned, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do it. I'll give you regular updates. I have started series of Corona on precautions to be taken in view of starting various industries and factories during coronavirus, and third episode today I have recorded. So tomorrow I'll be coming with you with the new episode of precautions to be taken. Till that time, thank you very much and goodbye. Take care. Bye bye.